Chief Financial Officer wants to hold Farmers Insurance accountable for leaving hundreds of thousands of policyholders behind. This week, the insurance company announced they have plans now to shut down 30% of its business in Florida and to stop renewing or writing new auto, home, and umbrella policies. So what are your rights as a policyholder? Taylor Levesque is in our newsroom right now taking questions to the experts today. And tell us a little bit about what you've learned today, Taylor.
Yeah, well, experts say that this move by Farmers Insurance could reduce the availability and affordability of insurance coverage in Florida. A Jacksonville law group tells me it's smart to call a law firm for extra protection before contacting your insurance company.
If you currently have an open claim for damage with Farmers Insurance, Green Law Group owner Paul Green says the claim is still good and will move forward.
Farmers took premiums. They deposited that money. They're earning interest on that money. And so it's a two-way contract. So they're going to be liable for any of the covered perils.
Green says regardless of coverage, homeowners should consult with a lawyer first before the insurance company to check their homes for damages or leaks sooner rather than later.
Let's get someone out there to check your house. Let's see if there is damage and if the damage is storm related. If it is, then we need to file that claim. And we need to make sure that it's covered before these carriers leave. So any homeowner with homeowners insurance needs to be looking at that.
Green says he wasn't shocked to hear another insurance company pull out of the state. According to the Florida Department of Financial Services website, Farmers Insurance is among more than a dozen to terminate or not renew policies in Florida. Florida's Chief Financial Officer Jimmy Petronis says the state is taking a deeper dive into Farmers Insurance complaints to determine if fines should be held against the company.
The insurance companies in general are playing the odds, and they're playing the odds that an insured doesn't contact an attorney. They don't contact me. That's what they're hoping. And they send a denial letter out, and the homeowner says, well, we tried, and they go away.
Green says the state is protecting homeowners by holding insurance companies responsible.
I wouldn't be too loyal to farmers. They're not loyal to you. They're leaving. Well, let's find another carrier that will write policies.
And Green says he predicts there will be more lawsuits filed against Farmers Insurance in response to its announcement. He advises policyholders to call a law firm before committing to new coverage. In the newsroom, Taylor Levesque, First Coast News, on your side.